Hello guys, how are you today? This would be my first video for my channel in YouTube. Today I would like to review one beauty box from Switzerland that I ordered, and then I just got it yesterday. It will be like this, Pinkbox. Okay, and I curious what is inside for Pinkbox in March 2018, so we will find it soon together. What surprise inside of the box? Okay guys, we open. This is the advertise from Signal, and you got 25% discount in co-op to buy White Now from Signal. Not bad. And then this is the advertise from Ritual, and if you visit from 7 to 9 March 2018 in the Zurich Hauptbahnhof, you will got exclusive gift from them. Not bad. I will come there. And then so this is the box that I got. Very nice. So, they have also Instagram that you can follow. Here we got Palmolive douche gel. Look nice. And what is very nice perfume. Love it. Then we got this White Now Glossy Cheek Instant White Plus Gloss from Signal. So you got already, and if you wanna buy, you got the discount down here. And then you have this is for your lip. Rose tint lip and cheek stain. Okay, cool. I open it. So it will be so you can use it for your lip and also for your cheek. Very nice. So cool. I will try it later. And then you got Magic Touch body cream. This is for body cream from Ritual of Sakura. Not bad. It's very soft, and I like the perfume too. Very nice. And then the last, you got the creme hydratant. It's also creme hydratant aloe vera avocado with aloe vera avocado oil and panthenol. This is for your leg. Foot creme pour la pied. Okay, nice. I try also. I try it my first. It's very nice. Hello, come back to me. As I said, I would like to try this Benetton from Pinkbox. So how do I look? Okay guys, thanks for watching me here on my first video. I wish you like it. If you like, please subscribe and share this video to your friends so that I can come again in my next video. Thank you for watching again, and stay cool and peace. Goodbye.